Alejandro. Sandboard, if nagikinig pa nga ni for today's video. Hi, ID number. Can I be your friend? How are you in Double Door? Hindi na lang talaga nagpatulog yung kape. Oo, kasi ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapagkape. Hi, Raul. Raul ba? Nice to meet you. Can I be your friend? Have a nice day po. Alejandro, nice to meet you po. Ijer Carpenter, nice to meet you. How are you in Double Dare, you guys? Bago lang ako dito. Peng piso-piso naman dyan. Baka naman. If you want my copy, just PM na guys on Telegram. Hindi ka sexy. After drop and live, then I'm gonna make you happy. Nanginginig pa for today's video. I'm just waiting for your avail. Kaya na lang inaantay ko nga ni. Huwag kayong mahiya. Ay, Ronnie, nice to meet you, Ronnie. Can I be your friend? What are you doing now, Ronnie? I wish you have a good day, Ronnie. Pahingin ako piso-piso. Make happy, just jump it. After drop and live, then I'm gonna make you happy. Alejandro, where are you from? Can you follow me back? How are you in Double Dare you? Gusto niyo ba akong gumiling? Nice one, nice to meet you. Ano guys? Sige. Drop some 100 and I will show my armpit like this. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Ken, good morning, Ken. Could I be your friend? Where are you from, Ken? Ikaw muna nanginginig pa. Ars Perez, hello. Can I be your friend? Where are you from? I thought you have a nice day. Ikaw muna nga ni nanginginig pa for today's video. Make happy, just PM naman ni. After drop and line that I'm gonna make you happy. Kayo na lang inaantay ko. Let's do private na. Ito na lang pagpapayat ng aking mukha. Nice to meet you all. Hello, nice to meet you, Lazaro Ramos. I chat you, did you not reply? Kasuya, good morning. How are you in Double Dare, guys? Ay ka muna, nanginginig pa for today's video. If you want my copy, just PM na nga ni. After drop and live, then I'm gonna make you happy na. O gabi guys, time na gabi sa TG mga 5. Sa IG aning, send Gcash first or drop. After drop and live, then I'm gonna make you. Hello honey, where are you from? Can I be your friend? Wish you have a good day. Kasi mamaya 7 AM may class pa ako. Hello famous, good morning famous. Can I be your friend? What are you doing now? Send more gift, guys. Piso-piso lang, oh. Huwag kayong mahiya. Chat, send. Can you send me 100? Then I will squeeze it to you, Lazaro. Baka naman. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Ala, sige lang. Taas ko lang kilig-kilig ko. Gusto niyo ba nakataas lagi kilig-kilig ko? Gusto niyo na talaga akong gumiling? Namiss niyo ba ako gumiling? Hi! Send more gift, baby. If you drop some 100, you will be mine in my heart. Then I will kiss you na. Nanginginig pa nga ni for today's video. Hi, Mr. Madudi. Can I be your friend? How are